The design of super tall buildings is typically governed by their interaction with lateral winds and gravity loads. Selection of the building shaping and structural system can greatly affect the wind and gravity behavior of the structure. The shape of the structure affects how strong it is. Rectangles, arcs, and triangles are the most common shapes used to build big structures. The weight pushes down the rectangle and causes the top side to bend. Rectangles are common in all types of structures, especially buildings. Windows and doorways nearly always take the form of rectangles. One of the simplest ways to strengthen a rectangle is to add supports that form triangles at the rectangle's corners or across its diagonal length. A single support between two diagonal corners will greatly strengthen a rectangle by turning it into two triangles.
Our assigned civil engineer Illich draw a rectangular representation to illustrate the structure for our performance task titled The Tallest and Strongest Structure. The measurement of the materials are the following. The first set of bond paper will be folded 2 times, which serve as the rectangular prism with a measurement of 4.5 inches. The other set of bond paper will be folded 4 times and taped into the rectangular prism with a measurement of 11 inches tall. Each rectangular prism will be full of scratched crumpled bond paper. And lastly, tape has no specific measurement.
The materials that we used in making Performance Task 2, the tallest and strongest structure, are scratch papers and 1 meter long masking tape. Scratch papers that we use to build a structure, and 1 meter long masking tape that we use to connect the scratch papers to make it strong and tall.
We chose this structure because we knew this structure will be strong enough to overcome the challenges that it will face. This structure is made of bond paper, which stands as a rectangular prism. Then fold it into 4 pieces to form a rectangle. After it, they put crumpled paper in the first 2 layers, and then they made another layer by folding the bond paper into 2. After folding, they tape the layer so it will become sturdy and won't easy to fall.